Namaste. From the bustling port of Venice to the fertile fields of Tuscany, Italy's history has been entwined with trade. Today, amidst a changing global landscape, the Bel Paese navigates new currents. Let's start a course through its ambitious plan for the future, examining how Italy aims to leverage its cultural heritage, skilled workforce, delicious cuisine, scenic beauty, and commitment to sustainability to carve a prominent and responsible position in the ever-evolving global trade ecosystem. Join me and my guest on a voyage through the Italian trade landscape, uncovering the bustling present, burgeoning relationship with India, and promising role in the global trade landscape. Italy operates within the European Union open market framework, facilitating the free movement of goods and services within the bloc. Additionally, it adheres to World Trade Organization principle, promoting transparency and fair competition. The Italian government further implements specific policies to attract investments and trade partnerships, offering tax incentive and establishing special economic zones. Some key imports include energy sources, raw material and machinery, while Italy exports cars, fashion and furniture. With a total trade volume of 848 billion in 2022, it counts Germany, France, the USA, China and India among its top trading partners of future. Italy has a long-standing tradition of international trade dating back centuries. Renowned for its craftsmanship, fashion and export of luxury goods, Italy has been a prominent player in global commerce. However, in recent times, Italy's trade position has witnessed several shifts and adaptation in the backdrop of the evolving global economy.
Italy's economy is gradually recovering from the COVID-19 crisis. The vaccination campaign and the fiscal support to households and business have played a crucial role in the recovery. However, challenge remains. There are difficulties due to the global supply chain disruption and due to the rising commodity prices, especially for the energy. I believe the annual GDP growth is forecast to slow down by 1% in this year. On the other side, I think that the diversification of Italian products and market will help to look at the future with optimism.
Let us examine this shift and challenges. Number 1. Increasing competition. Despite its strength, Italy faces fierce competition in global trade. The emergence of new economic powers, evolving consumer preferences, and technological advancements have impacted the country's trade dynamics. Italy does face the need to continuously adapt to remain competitive on the international stage. Number 2. Trade imbalances. Italy has experienced trade imbalances with import volume exceeding exports in recent years. This has placed pressure on the country's trade balance and highlighted the need for strategic planning and reforms to enhance export capabilities. And number 3, impact of globalization. Globalization has both positively and negatively influenced Italy's trade position. On one hand, it has opened up new avenues for exports, allowing Italian business to reach to a broader audience. On the other hand, increased competition has put pressure on more traditional business. Amidst the challenging dynamics and external factors and challenges, Italy continues to make its mark in international trade with few future-forward strategies. Number 1. Strengthening of core strength in industries. Italy is well known for its robust sectors such as automotive, fashion, food and machinery. These industries have contributed significantly to the country's export, drawing global recognition. The Made in Italy brand continues to be synonymous with quality and elegance, allowing Italian products to maintain a competitive edge in international markets. Number 2. Innovative logistics for a seamless flow. Recognizing the need for modernization, Italy invests in innovative logistic solutions. The National Logistic Plans outlines ambitious goals for infrastructure development, automation adoption, and digitalization. Initiatives like the Smart Ports project utilize intelligent technologies for efficient cargo handling, while investment in intermodal transportation aim to optimize supply chain. Projects like Livorno's Smart Ports and Venice Automated Terminal Venezia exemplify the implementation of automated container terminals and autonomous guided vehicles to improve efficiency, reduce emissions, and optimize cargo handling. Initiatives like Trade Lens are utilizing blockchain technology for real-time data sharing, transparency, and improved traceability of goods within the supply chain. The Genoa's Smart Ports Innovation Lab is exploring the integration of AI into logistic operations for predictive maintenance, route optimization, and demand forecasting. Implementation of IoT sensors and networks within ports and logistics hub to gather real-time data on infrastructure, cargo, and logistics flow is enabling better decision making. Number 3, prioritizing sustainability. Italy has been transitioning to cleaner fuels and exploring renewable energy sources with key initiatives. Livorno's Port of the Future project and Genoa's Green Port initiatives are enabling the shift to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power in ports and using shared power for docked ships. With participation in projects like the Plastic Road experiment in Rotterdam, Italy is promoting recycling and upcycling initiatives within port operations and fostering the use of recycled material in infrastructure projects. Ambitious targets have been set for emission reduction through initiatives like National Logistics Plan, while investing in cleaner fuels like biofuels and LNG for vessels and port vehicles. Italy has opted to generate more than a third of its electricity from renewable sources. Despite recent economic challenges, Italy's trade future holds promises. Its strategic location at the crossroads of Europe and the Mediterranean, coupled with its skilled workforce and rich cultural heritage, positions it as a valuable trade partner.
I strongly believe that the Italian culture and flexibility are two important factors for adapting our organization to new challenges. Just think that more than 30% of our export is going to emerging markets, and this trend is growing up. This shift reflects the adaptability in diversifying its trade partners for Italy. Main sectors are manufacturing, technologies, and services. But we have to mention the brilliant trend of the food and beverage segment that represents 10% of our worldwide export. For wine, together with France, in fact, we are the first and biggest exporter worldwide.
Key sectors like tourism, food and beverage, and luxury goods are projected for continued growth. Looking ahead, Italy aims to solidify its position as a reliable and innovative trade hub, focusing on 3 major areas. Number 1, strengthening regional partnership with the European Union and forging new ones with emerging markets like India. Number 2, embracing Industry 4.0 technologies to further automate and digitalize its logistics sector. Number 3, promoting sustainable practices throughout the supply chain, catering to the growing global demand for eco-friendly products. Now, let me also talk on India-Italy trade. Presently, India is emerging as a crucial trade partner for Italy. Bilateral trade exceeded 15 billion euro in the previous year, making a steady upward trend. Italy primarily imports textiles, chemicals and agricultural products from India, while its exports include machinery, pharmaceutical goods and luxury items. Both nations actively nurtured this relationship through initiatives like the Italy-India Business Platform and Invest in India, fostering business cooperation and market accesses. Italy's trade industry, characterized by open policies, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to innovation, faces an exciting future. Its focus on sustainability, coupled with its cultural and economic strength, paves the way for a vital role in evolving global trade landscape. As Italy navigates the currents of challenge, its ability to adapt, collaborate, and embrace innovation will determine the success in the years to come. Well, thank you for watching till the end. If you found this informative, do subscribe and also share this with others who can benefit from this episode. See you next week.